Come test drive the 2016 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, sport suspension, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, front passenger knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, multifunction display, child safety locks, power windows, power steering. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.